I'm Andrew, the Technical Solutions Manager at Supply Partners, and here are the top 5 reasons why you should be using TW solar panels. TW Solar is one of the largest solar module manufacturers globally and has been the world's largest solar cell supplier for 8 consecutive years. A significant portion of solar modules produced worldwide use TW solar cells because the quality is unmatched. By controlling the full supply chain from high purity polysilicon through to ingots, wafers, and finished cells, TW Solar maintains tighter quality control and consistency at every step. These high efficiency cells are used in TW's own modules and supplied to other leading manufacturers, creating additional revenue that supports ongoing technology advancements through research and development. TW Solar is not only pushing efficiency higher, they are focused on building modules that perform reliably in real-world conditions. A key example is the move to a 2mm front and rear dual glass design. This construction delivers significantly greater strength against extreme weather, including cyclones and hail up to 45mm. The rear glass replaces the more traditional plastic backsheet, a known long-term failure point that can lead to moisture ingress and reduce lifespan. Glass, on the other hand, is impermeable to water, and by moving entirely to dual glass, TW Solar has effectively eliminated this common failure point seen in backsheet style modules. And this is even validated by independent testing, with TW Solar one of only 2 manufacturers out of 50 to achieve maximum ratings across all core accelerated stress tests in Kiwa PVEL's 2025 PV Module Reliability Scorecard. TW solar modules have undergone salt mist corrosion testing to the most extreme level available under current testing standards, Test Method 8. This method is normally used for products to be used in marine or offshore applications. During testing, the modules are exposed to an extremely corrosive salt solution in a highly humid environment, repeatedly for 2 months straight in cycles of drying and re-exposure. Now, more than 80% of Australians live within 50 kilometers of the coast, so salt air is a daily reality for most homes and businesses where it will find every exposed edge and fixing. TW Solar's Level 8 salt mist testing proves the products are up to Australia's harsh conditions. Installers can count on fewer callbacks or warranty claims, while homeowners get reliable performance for decades. And even away from the coast, moisture, pollution, and dust still drive corrosion, so Level 8 toughness pays off everywhere. Walking into a TW Solar factory shows modern manufacturing at its best. Highly automated production lines assemble each panel with precision, while autonomous vehicles move parts and finish modules throughout the facility. Now, this level of automation strengthens safety, improves consistency, and allows TW to produce at real scale, with skilled staff providing a final layer of quality control beyond what even the most advanced monitoring systems can detect. That human oversight helps ensure every panel leaving the line meets an exceptional standard, and you see the result immediately. The panels feel solid with minimal flex, the sealant around the edges is perfectly uniform, and the frames are square. That precision supports faster, cleaner installs with less rework as modules align neatly on the roof. And on top of that, the panels look impressive once installed, with a consistent finish that enhances the overall aesthetic. What you see and feel in the final product reflects the care taken throughout the manufacturing process, giving you confidence that the product will perform for decades to come. TW Solar is one of the most highly valued manufacturers globally, with a market capitalization of around 97 billion UN. They have been listed on the global Fortune 500 for 3 years in a row, reflecting scale, stability, and financial discipline. In fact, they were the very first solar panel manufacturer to make it onto the list. For homeowners, this provides confidence that the warranties are backed by a business built to last. For commercial and large-scale projects, it delivers bankability and assurance required for long-term energy assets. If you're a solar business and you want to find out more, reach out to Supply Partners today. If you're a home or business owner considering solar, be sure to ask your solar installer to use the latest solar panels from TW Solar.